I have a Ryobi gas power washer, the same as this. Well, it's not, it's gas and this is electric. But I took my handle off and put this on and it works fine. It was leaking everywhere. It was leaking from the input, it was leaking from the output there. So I fixed the leaks. But what happened is that the people must have left water in it over the winter. And this was never connected, so just putting it back together and send it out the door. See you later. But they're gonna have to go to Home Depot and buy take this in and get a new one. That's about it. I'll show you how it works. You just turn the switch on at the toy. It's not as powerful as a gas pressure washer, but it does all right. That's about it, folks. Use my famous shut-off from the other video on the hose. You don't get soaked. My patent, I wish it was my patent. It's not. I found out about it. That's about it. The football game was boring today because they won 45-7. I came out and I figured I might as well get this done. But that's about it. Signing off.